Hi guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple scalping indicator that you can use to scalp synthetic indices or any kind of instrument that you are trading. So this indicator, it is built in on MT5, so it is not a custom indicator. So you'll find it on the indicator list on your MT5, either you are using a mobile version or a desktop version of MT5, you'll find the indicator there. So this indicator that I'm talking about, it is the best power indicator. So this indicator, just before I teach about it, I'm gonna be sharing with you how to use it, how to enter a trade, how to exit a trade. So those are the things that I'm gonna be covering in this video, what this indicator is showing you, how to enter and exit your trade. So if you can click in the indicator, you shouldn't touch any of these settings, but what you can change, you can just change the color and also the width or the height of this line. So I'm just choosing 2 pixels here so that the line is a little bit bigger. So you don't have to change the period of the average, and you don't have to touch it. You can just manipulate the color to just fit the color that you want. So I will just put it on the chart here. So what this indicator does, it shows you the mood of the sellers. So for an example, this is the best power. So we have 2 indicators. There's the bulls power, the best power, but then I'm gonna be sharing about the best power. So what I can say is that what I'm sharing here, you can apply it like vice versa when you are using the bulls power. So it is just the opposite. So what I can say is that this indicator, it is showing you the mood of the sellers. It is showing you the mood of the bears market, like the way the market is behaving in terms of sellers. So if it's a trending market, that's what I recommend, that you should use this indicator on a trending market. For example, here we have a downtrend, so this indicator is showing you like the flow and the strength of the bears or the sellers. For an example, the way you should use it is that you should pay attention to this zero line here. You can see that we have a zero mark here, whereby this histogram is behaving either above or below. So you should pay attention into this zero line here, because this is the zero line that is going to determine either we'll be beginning an impulsive wave or either will be ending a corrective wave. So usually what we want to do as traders, we always want to take advantage of the impulsive moves or the moves that are bigger in terms of market direction. So we want to always take advantage of the impulsive, and the best way to take advantage of the impulsive is to see when they are beginning, it is to see when they are starting, and this is just the exact tool that is going to show you that. For an example, how you should open your trade, you should always open your trades after you have seen this histogram passing the zero line from the negative all the way to the positive. So for an example, you should pay attention to these histograms that are above the zero line, because that's where the impulsive wave begin, that's where the sellers begin their move, or that's where the sellers start their new impulsive wave. For an example, you can see this one here, it detected when the price was about to start its downward move here. You can see here and even here. So what I can say, the best way to use this tool, it is to use this tool as a form of a signal. So when I'm talking about a signal, I'm talking about a sign, as a form of a sign that, okay, now the sellers, they are about to take the price down. What I can say is that you shouldn't be just using it just only for entries, just saying that you see this spike or you see this spike, so you decide to sell here. No, you should only sell after you see this histogram and also another confirmation. So you can add the confirmation that I'm always teaching you guys, like understanding the flow of the market. Let me just clear this drawing. Understanding the flow of the market and then taking advantage after that flow is broken. So that's another good way to use this tool. After it shows you a signal, wait for the market to break that flow or that pattern, then you can enter your trades or you can open your position. So the reason I said it is good for scalping, it is that usually sometimes the price will just give you that signal or that direction, and then all of a sudden it will change it again. So it's a good indicator, guys, for scalping, but you can use it on higher time frame. For an example, if I can open let me close that. If I can open the 30-minute, you can see that even on the 30-minute, the indicator is still showing you some good opportunities. The histogram has passed, going all the way up, and you can see that's where the impulsive begin. The histogram is above, that's where the impulsive begin. The histogram is above, that's where the impulsive began. So this is a good indicator, guys, that you should implement in your trading. So when it comes then to the opposing side, when it comes to the opposing side, you can even try the bull's power. Same thing, you can change the color. And the bull's power, it is just telling you the exact opposite. Ne? So it's just the opposite of this best power. Ne? But I encourage you to always use just one indicator for your scalping purposes. Ne? But if you want to go deeper into details, you can use this one. So for an example, in this bear's power, usually when the histogram goes below, when it goes to the negative side, it shows you that price is about to begin an impulsive for the buyers. It goes all the way down, price goes up, all the way down, price it corrected so small. So you should always pay attention to what I told you, because that's what is gonna save you guys waiting for another confirmation or waiting for the flow to be broken. You can see here it went to the opposite side, price began to go down. Same thing applied here, price began to go down, and same thing applied there and even there. So you should pay attention to what I told you. Just wait for the flow to be broken, then you can enter your trade. So this is how you can use the indicators, guys, to scalp. This lesson, it was just I was just opening a door for you guys. You can just study these indicators carefully and pay attention to what they are showing you and see how you can actually implement them into your trading. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe.